Greetings and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka Pez Liz, and for those that are joining me live on twitch.tv/PezLiz. For those that are watching this as a recording, welcome in. And if you aren't following me yet on YouTube, make sure you hit the follow button, give it a like, and also comment. Give a comment on this video. I haven't even started it, but tonight we are going to be talking about a brand new part of Polymaker's Panchroma collection, and this is another gradient. This one was pretty surprising and very delightful, and that is the Panchroma Gradient Crystal Citrine. So Citrine is another one of the gradient crystals, which is a specialty translucent filament, which is certainly designed to capture light and enhance the color transitions. Gradient crystal citrine has a color cycle going from pale yellow to a darker yellow of 120 grams. So in 120 grams of filament, you get the full spectrum. This is really cool. I haven't tried it in, I have tried it slightly in fuzzy skin mode, but it looks really cool in fuzzy skin mode. And it's a really fun filament. So of course, what have I been printing in this color? First up, I thought Citrine. So I printed James the Printer's lemon planter. So this planter, as you can see, the gradient shows up here. With a little bit of celestial white here for the cross section. It's a really cute little planter, and I think this citrine color is definitely a lemony, fresh, really pretty color for this planter. So this planter is available from James the Printer over on Maker World, and I plan to gift this to my friend, whether she uses it as a planter or as a container. I think it's going to be a really fun gift for a friend who absolutely loves lemon yellow. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this you could put a liner in, or you could just use as a planter. It's super fun. So the next thing that I printed with this filament was an experiment to see if you print in vase mode, how much fun you could have with this filament and what the effect would be. So I got my friend Daddy Wazzy to create to upload some vases that he already had uploaded on another platform to Maker World to showcase. And then of course when he was doing this groovy vase, he came up with another one. So this is Daddy Wazzy's groovy vase, which is available on Maker World and Thangs now. And as you can see with this citrine, when you're printing in vase mode, not only do you get the really nice translucency, but you get the gorgeous, gorgeous crystal effect. As you can see, that's shimmery and shiny. And when you're printing something with a whole lot of texture and fun, you get an amazing effect. So this is the groovy vase. And then Daddy Wazzy said, hold my vase. I'm going to do another one. And this one's called the Chonker Groovy Vase. So as you can see, this one is a little more, is it more rounded? I don't know. You tell me. Yeah, this one's a little more square. So it's a little bit of a different shape. And this was fun because we are able to see the yellow go into the lighter yellow in this part of the cycle, which is really fun. This filament does not have any sparkle in it, but printed in vase mode, it does give off a lot of the shine of the translucency of the filament. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I will show you the spool after I show you. So here's Daddy Wazzy over on Maker World. As you can see, those are his two latest models, the Groovy Vase and the Chonker Groovy Vase. And then the other thing I printed with this filament is by Bearded Printer. And Bearded Printer has been making a shift over to printables. And over on printables, he has a brand new bowl. And his bowl has a profound name. It is called Bowl 001. So I will make sure I have links to the designers, of course, in the description. And I will also have all of these photographed and shared in my Discord under Sharing Makes. But this is Bowl 001. And as you can see, you start out with a little bit of the whiter part of the citrine and you get the full gorgeous gradient for this bowl. And I love how translucent the filament is. This is 15% infill. And it's really pretty. I think it's a really neat design. And as you can see with this citrine filament, you're able to get capture light and have effects. Daddy Wazzy says he has some bowls in the pipeline, so we're gonna get some Daddy Wazzy bowls too. The other model I printed with the citrine is Cup 001 by Bearded Printer. So we have Cup. And the cup happened to capture almost all of the yellow. So just like you can see, it goes from a lighter to about a little bit of a darker yellow. So this is pretty much how everything printed. And again, this is going to make a great gift for my friend whose favorite color is yellow. I can't wait to share all of these prints with her. She's going to be absolutely thrilled. But if you want to take a look at what the spool looks like itself, of course, this is a Panchroma color. As I mentioned, the cycle for this this crystal filament is 120 grams. So if you're printing something that is 120 grams, you're going to get the full cycle. If you're printing something that's, like 30 grams, you're going to get this much of the cycle, which is absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see from the spool itself, it is a very translucent yellow. You can see on the side that gradient. So I'm going from that lighter to the medium to the more opaque yellow. I love the way that the crystal filaments work because you are getting some translucent and some opaque in one spool. So if yellow is one of your colors, if you want to experiment, I highly recommend the citrine. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's just another fun addition to the Panchroma family. This has been In Printing Color. Stay tuned for even more colors. As I mentioned before, Polymaker had 24 new gradients released in the last couple of months. There's more to come, and I'm going to be sharing even more. Now, if you want a bonus, I'm going to show you a bonus. All right. So for those of you who are sticking to the YouTube and also to Twitch, I did a beautiful print by our friend Dave Makes Stuff. So by the time that this is published, Dave Makes Stuff interview for Pezlis Presents should be published. And if you missed that, you're going to absolutely love it. I will make sure that it's linked as soon as it's available. If you were here early enough to watch the VOD on Twitch, it's absolutely gorgeous. And here we go. This is Dave Makes Stuff Yarn Bowl. As you can see by the model itself, it's absolutely gorgeous. But I was able to make it super, super awesome by printing it in another one of Polymaker's new gradients. And that is the Gradient Matte Sky. So are you ready to see this? Gradient Matte Sky has a transition cycle of 110 grams. So there is the matte sky right there. As you can see, it is a beautiful matte filament that goes from like a deep, like a denim blue to a paler baby blue. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is the bowl. Now you're looking, well, this actually looks like it's knitted. Wait till you see the inside. Look at the inside of this beautiful blue bowl. It looks knitted from the inside and outside. Absolutely stunning. Dave makes stuff. Winner, winner. Absolutely again. So thank you for joining me for Imprinting Color. If you're fun enough and join me on Twitch, we are going to do a giveaway for some Polymaker filaments. But for the rest of you, happy printing.